Yeah, Nifty did a bunch of tutorials. I saw like at least three that he posted.
Yeah, so the docs have 5 of his tutorials listed there, which he's
Nice.
done how to create a key store, how to use the Arbitrum gas faucet that we built, how to swap tokens, how to add liquidity to the pools, and then how to swap Hive on LeoDex. So he's done those. I think he's doing more. I may do a couple too when I get some free time. Um,
Which I mean, you know, for anyone out there that feels the urge to do a tutorial post, obviously there's no guarantees. But what I've noticed is the tutorial posts that have been done have received much upvotes. So if
they
you
will.
if you want the potential at a juicy upvoted post, tutorials will put the odds in your favor. Obviously, no guarantees that it will get voted or seen, but much better odds of getting some tasty upvotes, posting tutorials over the next couple weeks. And that's just
Yep. If you
from
post any
what I've
content
seen.
about LeoDex, especially right now during the launch, we will be curating it pretty heavily. Um, we're looking for feedback. We're looking for, general ideas around it, maybe what you think should be coming in the future. Tutorials like what Nifty's been doing. All of the things about LeoDex will help. This is brand new technology, and it's something that a lot of hivers, a lot of you guys in the audience right now have never used or experienced. And a lot of people on Hive just in general have never experienced. And especially given the fact that Hive swaps are live now, um, people are going to need a lot of help. So definitely make some good tutorials and spread the word. And we will support you, which, kind of on similar lines, Leo.voter now has, I think about 4.5 million Hive power delegated to it. We built the whole delegation model with tiers. We built the dashboard where you can manage your delegations. And before we built that, we had about 2 million Hive power delegated to Leo.voter, and now we've doubled that to 4.5 million. So our ability to reward you guys has doubled. So create the content, get the upvotes. I think a 100% upvote from Leo.voter is like $200 now. So um, definitely been growing, and I think
Damn,
we're
that's
going to see that
wild.
happen. Yeah, yeah. I think a lot of
And
people are liking the dashboard and the consistent payouts and the different tiers that you can get.
apparently Cat did all the tutorials back in the day at the wrong time. Need to be doing tutorials now.
It's
I did a
twice as
bunch
profitable to do tutorials
back in the
now.
day. Did a bunch back in Cub launch and some other stuff. Too
Um,
funny.
yeah, good time to do tutorials for sure.
Well, Nifty got most of them covered already. Maybe I'll wait for MetaMask to go live.